What if I told you there's a way to grow your channel without hours of editing? Now, everyone will normally say the more effort you put into YouTube, the more hours of editing, the higher effort the video is, the better it'll do, the more views it'll get. But what if I told you that you can make videos in 30 minutes and still get 100k views? You can put zero or very minimal effort and still blow your channel up. Let me tell you about trend jacking. Now, trend jacking is about using what's already viral and you link it to your niche. You have to jump in on the conversation. You have to time it exactly right. It's something that is blowing up currently. I'll give you an example. Everyone has heard of these tralolero, tralala, Italian brain rot memes, right? They were huge. The tung 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 sahur, all of these were huge. Now, what I did was, at the time when they were taking over TikTok, YouTube, everything, secretly, some of these actually had hidden messages in Italian. They had bad messages to Muslims, Arabs, the Palestinians, and Islam, things like that. Because my channel is an Islamic-related channel, what I did is I quickly jumped in. Beware of this viral meme mocking Islam, right? 100k views, and I made this in like 30 minutes, not even. You can see it's a 2-minute video. It took me zero effort. So you don't always have to have hours of editing, 10 hours, 20 hours to make a viral video. 113k views, 2-minute video, and it took me 30 minutes. This is trend jacking in action, right? So as long as you can pick up a trend related to your niche and make a video on it, it's going to blow up. That's working on what's already trending. Now, if you need help finding trends, I can help you. You can book a free consultation. I can also help grow your channel if you want to grow it. I have links in the description, and I can do one-on-one coaching with you as well. Now, another example was there was this trending figure who claimed to be a Mahdi. He claimed to be sort of a new prophet. So he was blowing up because I have the Islamic or the religious niche. He was blowing up in the Christian space and the Islamic space because he claimed to be a prophet for the Christians and for the Muslims. So as you can see, he started going everywhere. These are just 4 videos, but he was all over shorts. Every Christian was talking about him. He was blowing up. So as long as you get the timing right, you can get a success. Just like I made the Beware of the Italian Brain Rot meme video, exact same title thumbnail, beware of this false Mahdi, or beware of this false prophet. I made this video, took me not even 30 minutes, 73k, it's free views. Trend jacking is like free views. Sometimes I almost feel bad that like, oh, okay, do I want to make an original video? Do I have an idea in my head? Or should I just, this thing is trending right now, and do I just want a free 100k views? It sounds delusional, it sounds insane, but everyone I speak to can attest to this. I literally say, should I make this video right now, or should I just get a free 100k views talking about this? It's just free anyways, because I know what's trending, right? There's another example here. There's a controversial speaker. He rejected part of the scripture in Islam. It would be like a Christian rejecting the New Testament or something. Something so absurd, it doesn't make any sense. So he was blowing up all over Instagram Reels. I did the exact same title and the exact same thumbnail 3 times in a row. Beware of this Islamic creator. 109k views, would have taken me 30 minutes. Boom, quick reaction video to it. That's trend jacking in action. That's a free 100k views without having too much effort. So trend jacking is that when you're early on something, YouTube's going to start recommending you, right? But you want to be way too early. As soon as something starts going viral, boom, come in. If you're way too late, the wave's going to be gone. For example, recently, Charlie Kirk, he was assassinated tragically recently, and I could have made a video about him. It's probably got a 300k views as well, guaranteed, because I could have done it in an Islamic angle and spoken about a few different things. But I didn't end up making it, and it would be too late for me to do it now because weeks have passed. But if I hopped in at the right time, another 300k views if I just wanted to. And you can put trend jacking in any niche. I've just shown you mine, which is the Islamic or the religious niche. You can do it if you do gaming, if you do self-improvement, you do faith, you do whatever you do football, you do this, you do that. As long as there's something that's trending, that's somewhat related to what you're doing a little bit, or you can somehow connect it together, you're gonna get free views. That's just trend jacking. What are my final thoughts? Get in on smart timing, get in really early. It's zero effort. Everyone always says, oh, put in more effort, and the better the YouTube video, you get more views. No, I'm showing you today 3 examples. You can get 100k views in not even 30 minutes editing. You don't need to edit, spend all your time. You can work 9 to 5 like I do. You can do this on the side, and you can still explode your channel. Trend jacking is the one concept that is the fastest way to explode your channel, and your channel will grow while you're sleeping. Again, links in the description if you want any coaching or a free consultation, and all the best with growing your channel.